Now I'll take a few minutes to walk you through how this receipt management software works. The software is actually very simple. There are only 3 steps, just like what you see on our website. Step 1, upload your receipts. Step 2, do nothing. The AI will automatically recognize and process them. Step 3, download the report and use it for reimbursement or expense organization. When uploading receipts, there's a small but very useful tip. You can set a type or a tag during the upload process. Once you set a tag, the receipt will be automatically categorized. For example, it could belong to a specific trip. From now on, all receipts uploaded with this tag will be grouped under this trip. You can upload files one at a time or upload multiple files at once. Both PDF files and regular image files are supported. After uploading, make sure to click Save because AI processing takes a bit of time. Sometimes, right after uploading, you may not see the receipts immediately. If you want to check the progress, you can click Show Processing Receipts here to see the current processing status. Now let's go back to the receipt list. The receipts we just uploaded were from November, so we select November here using the date filter. As you can see, all November receipts are now listed, which means the upload was successful. Next, let's look at the Analytics section. You can select a specific time range here. Since these receipts are from last year, the system automatically generates trend analysis for November and December. If you want to generate a report, you can do it right here. There are 2 types of reports available. One is an Excel spreadsheet, and the other is a PDF file. If you want to generate custom reports for different time periods, you can use this section here. You'll notice the tag we used earlier. When you select different tags, the system will automatically generate reports based on the corresponding receipts. You can also select different expense categories. For business travel, you usually need all categories, so in this case, we simply select the travel tag. Now we can generate the report. This Excel file can be used directly for expense part and further processing. Let's open the spreadsheet and take a look. This is what it looks like. It displays all receipts related to that specific travel period. This report can be sent directly to your accountant or used for other financial purposes. As you can see, the software is very easy to use. There are just a few additional settings I'd like to briefly explain. For example, you can change your name. The email address cannot be changed because it's the email used during registration. The company name can be updated, but the currency setting cannot be modified. Next is expense categories. We provide several default categories. If these are not enough, you can easily add your own custom categories. Now let's talk about exchange rates. We use official government-published exchange rates, calculated on a yearly basis. That means different years use different exchange rates. If you want to check a specific exchange rate, you can select a base currency here and a target currency here, and the system will calculate it for you. That's everything about this software. It's very simple and very practical. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video.